US crude and nat gas both trading with a rise. In the weekend analysis, I discussed that potentially till the time oil stays above 70, we can see little more bullishness, but it is still not to be considered completely bullish till this stays above 76, below 76. Let's see what happens today, which position you should take in trading crude oil and natural gas. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. You can also join our free Telegram channel where you get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first. We look into US crude, followed with net gas to watch till the end. First point on the hourly charts, it has breached the resistance at 73. It has given a gap. There is a support at 72.8, and since then it is trading bullish. You can clearly see on the hourly chart, this is the bullish channel in which it is trying to trade. The highs of this channel now again situated at around 74 levels, and hence this is the zone which it needs to break past by with conviction, with force, with pressure, such that it can sustain the bulls out there. 74 is the level beyond which more bullishness may prevail, where you can expect 75, 76 levels on the upside easily. Right now, after giving bullish candle, see it has formed a bottom here at 73.2 and 73 levels, and hence till 72.8 I will not recommend you to sell. Below 72.8 you can sell for 72.5, and below 72.5 you can expect 72. So a sell entry is a little far below at 72.8 levels. Those who want to risk a little can sell at 73.1 levels, but then this is completely a risky trade. Till 72.8 it is not at all bearish. It can try to fill the gap and bounce back. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI almost at top, and hence a possibility of a little drop till 72.8 exists. Now on the 2-hour charts, increasing body size, flat bottom, higher highs are seen. Bullishness is still prevailing here. I will recommend you to buy at 73.6 levels, beyond which you can expect 73.8 and 74. These two levels, if it breaks past by, that is 74 levels, I will look forward for it to sustain. If it sustains 74, certainly we can expect it to trade bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, but look at the candle size, have almost flattened, hence one need to be watchful here. RSI almost flat, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts also likewise, see, first of all, consolidation and a breakout. A gap is there, but it can continue with the breakout. Staying above 73.6, certainly you can stay long. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is almost at top. And looking at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation. But look, flat bottom, almost very smaller body there than the bigger body. Staying above 73.6, you can expect 73.8, 74. 74 is the level you should watch out for. Stochastic overbought, MACD has just crossed over. It has started to diverge here. This is interesting to see. It has started to diverge. This is a bullish indication. This is coming after a good cycle here, and hence it can potentially try to continue with little more. RSI almost near to the top, trading with a slight bullish bias. Now look at the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts we have already seen that this is in a retracement journey. Higher highs, higher lows are seen here. Now first resistance, if it stays above 74, is at around 74.6 levels, and then 75, 75.2 levels. This is the zone which is going to give it a maximum resistance. Only if it stays above 76, 76.5, you can consider oil has reversed completely and it might trade bullish. Now what is happening here? And it has given a good red candle here. It has given a gap there. It can try to potentially fill the gap and continue with its upward journey till towards 74. 74 is going to give it a very good resistance. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD divergent and bullish, and we had almost every time we had seen this, almost at bottom it is trying to reverse, and hence it can continue with this for a little while. RSI is also looking up, trying to trade bullish. So for the day 73.1 you can sell, but then remember that could be a potential gap filling exercise which is lying at around 72.9, 73 levels, and hence still 72.8 levels. Do not consider crude oil as bearish. It can bounce back again, it can recover again, it can continue with the rise again, and hence more bearishness will prevail, and a safer entry on oil is below 72.8, where you can expect 72.5 and 72 as the next targets. Below that anyways it is going to stay bearish. On the upside you can buy at 73.6, expect till 74 it is not bullish at all. It can potentially swing in between, and hence you have to put a trailing stop loss and at least trade with the stop loss at cost. Above 73.6 till 74. Beyond 74, more bullishness may prevail, which is going to take it for 74.5, 75.2 and 76 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch 22. The batch starts on 5th of June. Only limited seats are available now. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our signals group where trading as per the signals. Definitely you will benefit. Reach out to me for more details at the same IDs, that is my Telegram and email IDs mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's start on the hourly charts on net gas. Net gas trying to recover here, but see, drop, retracement. Now this is the second wave of retracement here. How far it can try to retrace till towards 2.5, 2.55 levels. Till 2.55, we should not consider this as a reversal. What it is doing right now, and see on the near term on the hourly charts, you will find this is the next channel. It is seen the highs. If you see it trading above 2.45 levels and 2.46 levels, you can expect it to rise more. See, you can buy at 2.48, basically that is going to be a safe entry where you can expect 2.5, 2.55. Or rather, what I'm trying to say here is, you can see this, it has formed a very strong base on the hourly charts here. The stronger the base, the longer the rise, but it has failed to break past 2.6, 2.8 zone, which is a very good resistance. Also, if you look at the hourly charts, see a rise, a retracement, and hence if you see it trading about 2.45, you can buy. However, 2.46, 2.48, 2.5, very good resistance level. Till 2.5, we have to be watchful and cautious. Beyond 2.5, it can try to rise more till towards 2.5 to 2.55 levels. The stochastic is seen rising, divergent bullish, RSI almost flat here, and the MACD is also seen rising there. Now, if you look at the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. First resistance at 2.45, then at 2.5. This is the zone it needs to pass by in order to confirm the rise till towards 2.55. Stochastic rising, MACD is also crossed over. It is trading with divergence. It is giving a twin bottom. It can give you a very good rise here, staying long about 2.45. RSI almost flat, and looking at 3-hour charts, potentially on the 3-hour charts also, you can see it looking upwards, trying to trade bullish, potentially beyond 2.48, 2.45 levels. Only more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic seen rising, MACD also trying to cross over. The first crossover, second crossover, this time it can try to give a rise. RSI almost flat, and looking at the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. 2.45, $2.5 levels is the zone you should watch out for. Same stochastic bullish, MACD converging, RSI flat. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at daily charts, what it is trying to do, a flat top there. Lower highs or flat top is what you can expect, which means 2.48, 2.45 zone is the zone. In fact, till 2.5 levels, you should be watchful and cautious of net gas's movement. It is not to be considered bullish till the time it stays below 2.5 levels. Be very cautious, alert. If you are buying at 2.45, remember the position it is at risk till 2.5 levels. It can reverse, and hence you should put a stop loss at your entry price every time whenever you see your trade is in green, so that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. On the downside, a sell entry only I will recommend is below 2.42 levels. Below 2.42, you can expect 2.4, 2.36, and then 2.3 levels. Till there, no bearishness on the daily charts. Stochastic on the daily charts is oversold, but the MACD has also crossed over, trading with divergence, bearish. RS are almost flat, and considering this a sell entry at 2.42, buy at 2.45. On the upside till 2.5, on the downside till 2.4, we should not treat net gas as bullish or bearish for the day. And in the near term, already I am bullish. I will expect it to rise more. But right now, it is seen a good drop, and a bearishness will prevail if you see it trading below 2.2, 2.1 zone, which is a very good retracement zone. Hence, yes, you can sell at 2.42. Be alert till 2.36, 2.3 levels, till you should put your stop loss at your cost price till then. On the upside, 2.5, 2.55 zone is something I will look forward for it to break past by, so that the bullish or bullishness may prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.